I'm Martin and this is my 1984 Kip Caravan which I bought back in April of 2023, and the challenge for the next couple of months will be to turn it into an off-grid camper. This is going to be one hell of an experience full of many downs and lows, costly repairs and many trials and errors. Make sure you follow my journey while transforming this caravan into my dream tiny home on wheels. So, that's actually me on the Sunday and Saturday, although right now it's Monday evening. Actually forgot what I was. Oh yeah, I have to remove the wheels, and also I have to put new rubber wheels because these are were actually my dad find somewhere the date they were made back in 2004 or 2003, I believe, way back in Holland. So yeah, this has to be changed as well. But what I'm planning is to take out these, obviously brush them with a metal brush and take out all the rust and repaint them, paint them with some silver paint, and yeah. Oh, and also I'm going to redo the wheel arches, which I take out a few days ago. So as I said, I am planning to repaint the wheels, although, and obviously change the tires. My caravan is not legally right now able to take out it from the garage. Let's see if I will be actually able to do so. It's not moving, that's fine. God damn it. Nope. The whole caravan is going, but this wheel is not going anywhere. Whew. How do you remove these things? I mean, I know how to change a tire of a car, but from a caravan, and when it doesn't have any traction, maybe it's 18, 19? Oh yeah, it's 19, definitely. God damn it. God damn it. Perfect. Честно. Ты не кафа. Еба, май. I'm guessing I'll change the tires another day. So my dad wanted to give it a try, and somehow, I don't know how, he did manage to unscrew the bolts so I could take out the wheels, and my dad to inspect the drums and the brake pads.
Засмяна се. Такива накладки няма да намериш.
Which, as he said, needs to be changed. Although they are quite rare because of their size, they had to be changed because they're quite worn out. We were able to take off the wheels, and also my dad helped me to take out the drum pads, which were quite worn out. So there are two options. Unfortunately, the drum pads for both sides, for both wheels, they are 160 millimeters by 35, and those are quite rare because of the age of the caravan and the drums. The good news is that the drums are in pretty good shape. They just need a little bit cleaning, and same goes for the other side as well. This drum, and so this one over here as well. So what is left, what we discussed with my dad, is obviously that I have to take out the oh, and also I'm going to give you an update for this one. So I'm going to take out the wheels so I can scrub the rims, and I'm going to repaint them. I bought a few silver color spray paint, which I'm going to, one is a thermal resistant and the other one is just a regular silver paint, which I'm going to use in order to freshen a bit the tire rims. This one as well. Also, my dad take out the wheel. This is the front wheel that we are going to replace. He told me that in town he can find a really good replacement for a really cheap price, so that's good.
Honestly, I don't know why I thought that removing a car tire out of a steel wheels will be as easy as we remove and repair ourselves our bike tires as kids, taking the air out and pulling the tire out of the trim with a screwdriver. It was about time to give up and just continue, and because I did not care about the tires if I'm going to destroy them or not with the paint, as I was going to replace them anyways, so I just started using metal brush to brush all the rust, and then I used a degrazer to remove all the grass from the metal, spray it with alcohol, wipe it with a glove, and lastly I used this green stuff, which is basically a chemical substance that transforms the rust and prevents from further degrading of the metal.
The fucking mosquito, man, just ate my fucking ass, and I'm kinda sick of this. I'm pulling the trigger on these spirals, which you light up and pray for the god. Got rid of all of the mosquitoes that kept sucking blood out of my body. Yeah. Oh, someone is just beating my fucking back. It's not caught on fire. God damn. Smoke, my baby, smoke. Come on, save me from these bloodsuckers. Yes, that's it.
After this profound ritual, it was about time to continue working on the wheel arches. They needed a repair as they were plastic and they had some holes and brake pads, which I had to cover using some metal aluminum sheets that have been left over from the roof pop top. Then I gave them a good bath, brushed them all off from the dirt and mud, and after they were dry out, it was time to use some mammoth glue on the inside and securing the little pieces with nuts, which made a pretty good connection, and they were ready for sanding. Shout out to my dad for dealing with these complex brake pad systems. I really don't know what I was going to do without him, and helping me reinstalling the new brake pads that I bought and assembling the drum brakes all together. I don't know if you remember this, but the last time before this big break that I took, I had to change the original tires because they were pretty old. I bought some pretty new tires. They are made in China, but that doesn't matter. What matter is that there was these brackets, so they remove the original brackets, which I obviously painted, and now I am left on both tires with these spots which I have to repaint because obviously it doesn't look great. This one, yeah, they had to put two of these brackets, and obviously I have to recover this and repaint it so it doesn't look bad. So that's what I'm going to do now. First time. Don't know if you remember this. Rafi! Mokibe! What I hate the most about the summer is obviously the heat. A few months ago, actually way back in May, I complained about how cold it was, and yeah, for me, and that I have to use gloves, scarf, even a jacket. And now it's way past 10 p.m. in the evening, and it's 35 plus degrees, and I'm already sweating by doing almost nothing. I just can't live in these temperatures. Let's see what it was. 24. Get out this thing. To screw this. Yep. Sweet. Okay, so we are done with this one, I think. And while I was still working on the roof pop top at this time, I decided to complete the front side of the Caravan, reinstalling the joint trims between the two aluminum sheets to hold them tight against any splashes, rain while driving against the stream. And to top it all off, I've decided to use the nut gun and some nuts to again make sure that the two joints of the aluminum sheets on the top stay connected and no gaps between them would have opened and no water could get inside the Caravan. And with that, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next Saturday with another video.